BJ Peters here from stampingbj.com, and I am here to share some more crafting inspiration with you. And today's card is just a quick kind of a fun fold card using the Ribbon of Courage. And this is one of those stamp sets, no matter what color you make it, it's going to be meaningful for someone. So let's get started. So here's a close-up look at that Ribbon of Courage card. Isn't it fabulous? I am sure that you can think of someone that could use a little bit of encouragement and hope, and we all love that little ribbon there and what it stands for. Here's the stamp set, and remember that it's from the annual catalog and does come as a bundle. So here's the two together, Ribbon of Courage stamp set and the framelits, because you'll want to get them as a bundle. Remember that you save 10% when you do that. I'm going to start with the card base of powder pink. It is 5.5 inches by 8.5 inches, scored and folded at 4 1/4 inches. And I'm going to add a 2 inch by 5.5 inch piece of the Fresh Floral Designer Series paper. You'll find that in the catalog with the Designer Series paper, and it comes in the 2017 to 2019 in colors. Several different patterns to choose from, and it's just fun to add just a little piece of that. I have Whisper White, and it's 2 3/4 by 4 inches, and I'm going to stamp that ribbon in powder pink right on there, and I'm going to hold it towards the top a little bit and a little bit of an angle so that I have room for those hearts at the bottom there. And then let's get our greeting on here. So this is going to go on in basic black. Make sure I have it right side up. That's always a good thing. There we go. Looking pretty fancy. And I'm going to adhere that to basic black. So it's 1/4 inch larger. So 3 inches by 4 1/4 inches. And that is going to go right on my card base. Are you ready for the really fun part? So that is this part right here. You see that fun little heart? It's embossed in white, and it's got a special little opening. So it's a really special card for that special someone. And it just tucks behind there to hold it closed. Perfect. So let me tell you what I have for that. I've got a piece of 3/4 inch basic black, and it's about 4 inches long. I've got my powder pink heart embossed, and the tiny little black heart that I've embossed with white embossing powder. I'm going to position this kind of right where I want it. I want it right here underneath that heart. I'll zoom in so you can see that. Kind of want that just to kind of go together. So I'm going to kind of strategically place that. And there's no science to this because everybody's going to stamp in a little bit different place. And then I'm just going to tuck this around and give that a good crease right there. And hold that in place. I'm going to use a little fast fuse and put that right there, just like that. Awesome. Holding that, I'm going to flip it around. Got a little crooked. I'll fix that right here. Straighten it out a bit. Give it a good crease. I should have had a bone folder, but you all know what I mean with those. A good crease. And again, fast fuse, because it's a moving part, you want to have good adhesive. And so there it is. And so what it would do would be just to kind of flip open. But we can tame that by using this tiny little heart that comes as part of the stamp set. So you could use your mini Stampin' Dimensionals, or in this case, I'm just going to cut off a little strip. And I strategically placed it on this side because you want this side to be free of that dimensional, so as you put that there, it's easy to tuck that behind there, just like that. How awesome is that? Thanks for stopping by today. There's lots of fun ideas with this Ribbon of Courage stamp set out on my website, and you can search for them on Pinterest. You can purchase this bundle in my online store at stampingbj.com. And remember to create and feel great.